What's up guys, it's Fungus Journey here with another video, and today's video is for educational purposes and will show you what can happen if you don't take care of your athlete's foot or toenail fungus. It is extremely important to start treating these types of fungal infections as soon as possible. If you have toenail fungus, go ahead, check out the links below to my blog. We have some really great remedies. And if you guys like this type of content, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Anyway, this video isn't mine. All credit goes to Kim Foot and Ankle Center. And guys, I got a challenge for you. See how long you can watch this video and comment it down below. Enjoy.
So how long has it been since you had your nails cut? About 2 years?
Yeah.
Maybe longer? No? How long you been seeing Dr. Mecca? This nail is really long. We'll cut a little bit. Let me know if you feel any pain, okay? I'm gonna go slow, but your nail's so long that I don't want to hurt you. And this one's really thick too on top of that. So how long you been seeing Dr. Mecca?
For a long time.
Long time? Which location do you go see him?
7th Street.
Oh, 7th Street? So can you walk with these nails this long?
Yeah.
You could? No pain when you walk?
Nope.
Oh, really? You're a tough guy. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. I knew you would say that. Have you seen a foot doctor before?
Yeah.
You have?
When I lived in board and care, that was a long time ago.
Oh, okay. So you didn't go to any doctor's office to see a doctor? Right, or no?
Mm-hmm.
No? This is the first time you come to foot doctor's office?
Yeah.
Wow. I better be nice to you. This is your first time. We should have these cut every couple of months, okay?
Yeah.
Because you shouldn't wait this long. And it looks like you may have some fungus too on these nails. So I'm going to send some of these nails to see if you have fungus on these nails, okay? They kind of look like it, but I just want to make sure. So where are you from?
I'm from New York.
Oh, from New York?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Bronx.
Oh, for Bronx? You're a tough guy, huh?
I'm
Right.
a Dodger fan too.
I'm sorry?
I'm a Dodger fan.
You're what?
With their Brooklyn Dodgers.
Oh, Brooklyn Dodgers, okay. You saw their good old days, huh?
Yep.
Did you ever go watch the games?
Yeah.
When? When was the last time you went? A long time ago, huh? So when did you come out here to California?
I lived in San Diego, but my mom moved to California. So I love San Diego.
Yeah, San Diego?
Yeah.
So when did you come out here to San Diego?
a long time.
Long time ago, huh? How about up here in Long Beach?
Yeah.
Your family up here in Long Beach?
Yeah.
Your kids?
Nope.
No kids?
Mm-mm.
You've been single all your life?
Yep.
Wow, never got married?
Mm-mm.
Uh-oh. You're smarter than all of us, huh? That was a joke, Bruce. We were supposed to laugh about it, right?
Yeah.
So when did you come to Long Beach?
I don't remember.
It's been a while?
Yeah.
You still like San Diego better than Long Beach?
Yeah.
Really? What do you like about San Diego?
Because I used to work at San Diego.
Oh, you used to work there?
Mm-hmm.
What kind of work did you do?
I used to work at parks and recreation.
Oh, is that right? Oh. What did you do?
It's Tiny Tots drama. Tiny Tots drama.
Tiny Tots drama? What is that?
Like play and stuff.
Like a play? Really? To who? Oh, the kids? Really? Wow. Is that hurting? Okay. Let me know if it hurts, okay? Is it hurting? Okay. What do you think, Bruce? You look better?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
You approve?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's take a final picture, okay? I'm gonna send some of these nails for biopsy to see if you have fungus, and if you do, what kind of fungus, okay? So we can start treating this so that your nails won't be as long, okay? Like I told you, you do have some arthritis on this toe, so we'll keep an eye on that, okay? You have some callus here as well, which I'm going to clean out.
People have all right to tell it's going to rain, huh?
Huh?
People have all right to tell it's going to rain.
Yeah, you know ahead of time, right?
Yep.
Your toe's gonna tell you whether the rain's coming or not. You have a little bit of callus here, which is gonna take it down a little bit for you. It's pretty deep. Okay, very good. Nothing on this side. So there you have it.